Good ideas for your YouTube Shorts videos. We want you to use YouTube Shorts to promote your brand and grow your business. You'll be putting a lot into the creation of your YouTube Shorts, so you need some good ideas to work from. It can sometimes be difficult to come up with new ideas for your YouTube Shorts, so use the information in this video to help you. In a previous video, we mentioned how important it is to be consistent with the uploading of your YouTube Shorts. By using the ideas for YouTube Shorts in this video, you will ensure that you do not run out of ideas for new content. Not all of these ideas will be appropriate for your business, so use those that make sense. Create before and after shorts. If you have products that will enhance the appearance of a person or an item, then YouTube Shorts are ideal for before and after videos. You can create a highly engaging short that shows the effect of using your product by recording a clip before using the product and then another after the product has worked its magic. You could also apply the same concept to the provision of services. If you offer a consulting service of some kind, you could record one clip of your client discussing the state of their business before your services and another clip after your services have made an impact. It is all about making the results that you can achieve for clients clearly visible in your YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts for trends and updates. Your audience will appreciate you telling them about the latest updates in your business. You can have a new product launch on the horizon or some planned changes to existing products. People will usually not want to watch a long video about the updates of a business they are following, but a YouTube Short is ideal for this. If there are trends that have an impact on your audience, then you can create YouTube Shorts about these. Most industries track different trends, and when you create YouTube Shorts around these, your audience will really appreciate this. A short video discussing a trend that affects your audience will help to create a stronger connection. Create mini tutorials or hacks YouTube Shorts. A lot of people use YouTube to find the answers to questions that they have. Tutorial videos are very popular, and so are hack videos. Think about how you can create a valuable mini tutorial, for example, that is less than 60 seconds. Your audience will appreciate you solving a problem for them in the most concise way. When you are creating your tutorial shorts, be sure to let your audience know how using your products or services will help them to solve the problem that they have. Avoid using technical jargon in the shorts so that you can be as concise as possible. The best mini tutorial or hack YouTube Shorts start with the definition of a problem that you know your audience has. Behind the scenes YouTube Shorts. Your audience will appreciate it if you create entertaining behind the scenes YouTube Shorts for your business. Don't be afraid to show things going wrong in your business, as this will be entertaining for your audience. No business is perfect, and most will try to hide their mistakes, so your behind-the-scenes shorts will be a refreshing change. Of course, you do not have to focus on the mistakes that you make for these YouTube Shorts. Show your coworkers creating products if this applies. The beauty of these behind-the-scenes videos is that it is easy to shoot the footage with your smartphone at your office or workshop, for example. These types of shorts will help you to create a stronger connection with your audience. Product or service benefits. You can create engaging YouTube Shorts about the benefits of your products and services. A YouTube Short is one of the best ways to promote product benefits. If your products and services have a lot of benefits, then you create a short for all of these. It is likely that your audience will not be aware of all these benefits and will appreciate your videos. A powerful way to discuss the benefits of your products is to use a listicle approach. Record footage of your products or services in action, which supports the benefits that you are promoting. Imagine how connected your audience will be with your business when they are aware of all of the major benefits that your products and services provide. Mini vlog with YouTube Shorts. Vlogs are very popular on YouTube. Users like to see how other people are living their lives. Why not use this concept to create a day in the life of your business mini vlog? There are endless possibilities here. You can record yourself talking about new things on the horizon, or explain the product testing that you do, for example. It is very easy for you to create regular shorts for your mini vlog. You can shoot footage of things that are happening in your business and then add a voiceover and some upbeat music. Replacing the audio of your footage with a voiceover is likely to be more effective. This is also useful for covering up anything that you do not want your audience to hear. Customer testimonial compilation. Do you record videos of your customers providing you with testimonials for your products and services? If you don't, this is something that you should start doing right away. Let's assume that you already have customer testimonial videos. You can make a compilation of these video testimonials to create powerful YouTube Shorts. If you do not have any video testimonials, then you can ask your customers to create them using your products or services. Alternatively, you can transform a written testimonial into a video clip using a different variety of methods. Use popular memes for your YouTube short ideas. Memes are all the rage these days, and you can search for the most viral memes and use these as the basis for your YouTube shorts. Find several different popular memes and think about which of them would be a good fit for your business. Using some of the most popular memes can help your YouTube shorts go viral. You can add different text to an existing meme for your YouTube shorts. There is huge potential in using popular memes for your shorts, as people are always on the lookout for funny memes. They tend to share these on their social media platforms so that their friends can join in with the fun. Get your YouTube shorts shared using the power of memes. Create mythbuster YouTube shorts. Most niches and industries have myths and misconceptions about them that are not true. If you know your niche well, then you can identify these myths and create YouTube shorts busting them. These shorts have the potential to help your audience by explaining that a myth is not true. This can move them closer to your brand and increase your sales. Another advantage of creating myth-busting YouTube shorts is that you will be demonstrating your expertise in your niche. People like to buy from experts, and your audience will perceive you as an authority when you bust myths and explain why they are not true. The YouTube short format is ideal for this, as you should be able to bust myths in under a minute. Provide valuable information about your niche. Another way that you can elevate your status to that of an expert is to provide your audience with valuable information about your niche in YouTube Shorts. This will go a long way to proving that you know what you are talking about. You can also promote your products and services on the back of these shorts. If you know your niche well, which you should know the burning questions that your audience has. You could use a listicle format here again, such as 5 facts you probably didn't know about. Shoot footage with your smartphone that is a good fit for your short. By adding credible sources to your shorts, you will improve their overall credibility. Create inspirational YouTube shorts. Inspiring videos on YouTube are very popular. Think about how you can create motivational YouTube shorts that can relate to the products and services you want to promote. People like inspiring quotes, so you can search for these online and choose the ones that work the best with your business. How do your products and services help your audience overcome problems? Create a list of the problems they solve, and then look for the best inspirational quotes that you can use with each of these problems. By motivating your audience with your YouTube shorts, you can expect to make more sales of your products and services. Create YouTube shorts from existing longer videos. If you already have longer videos on your YouTube channel or elsewhere about your business, then look at these carefully to see how you can create YouTube shorts from them. This can be a very effective way of repurposing your content. You can also come up with ideas for YouTube shorts from long blog posts that you have published. Look for snippets in the longer content that you can use for your YouTube shorts. Think about how you can use these in videos of less than 60 seconds. You need to figure out how to get your message across in a concise way. Your audience will appreciate this as you are respecting their time. If you have videos on YouTube, then check your analytics to see which have performed the best. Choose the videos with the highest number of views and other engagement metrics such as shares, likes, and comments. These videos are already popular and provide the best content for repurposing into YouTube Shorts. Create story-based YouTube Shorts. We all like a good story, and you can create YouTube Shorts that are story-based to give your business or brand a more human touch. YouTube Shorts are ideal for sharing funny stories, for example. They are also perfect for moving stories that will help you to create a stronger bond with your audience. When you're creating story-based YouTube Shorts, you need to ensure that they will spark an emotional response from the viewer. You have less than 60 seconds to do this, so think about this carefully. Then you need to think about how you can associate your products and services with each of the stories. In the next video, we will discuss promoting your business using YouTube Shorts.